Hi everyone, it's cooking time. Anything in mind, guys? What's for dinner tonight? Well, in my pot, I have here pre-cut pork spare ribs. So let me just add water. Water enough to boil the pork spare ribs. So I will just wait for it to boil until the scums float because I will be removing the scums, of course. I think this is the first time that I will show how I make deep fried pork spare ribs. Kada kayo nga padak nga Ilocano, agluto tayo manen karoba. At sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magluluto ulit tayo guys ng hapunan. Let's cook dinner. It's boiling guys, and as you can see, the scums starting to float. These are the ones we need to remove. Kailangan po nating alisin yung mga foamy like this that floats. Of course, we want to make sure what we cook and eat are very clean. Okay, after removing the scums, next, these are the spices needed. So I will add minced garlic. I also have in here onion and then bay leaves. Let me also add peppercorn and of course salt. I'm using the Himalayan salt or the pink salt. So it's not too salty, this one. Optional guys, this is a pork cube. Now I will let this boil until the pork spare ribs are tender. Maybe 45 minutes. And see you later again guys. I'm kind of busy today, guys. In the mood to cook, even though I'm not really feeling good. I still get those symptoms. You know what I am saying if you are in your 50s up. And so, yes, I'm still tenderizing the pork spare ribs. But then here on the table, I get some bananas. It's getting ripe, overripe, so I need to do this one. Yes, guys, I am making again banana bread, and this time it will be two kinds. The chocolate chips, and I also have here raisins. So first, I will make the butter and then divide into two so that I can make two kinds of bread. So let's start. First, mash the bananas. Let's make something for breakfast and snack. After mashing the banana, I go check the pork spare ribs. Samahan niyo ako sa aking cooking adventure today, cooking and baking. And by the way, guys, if you see the mess at my back, sorry because I am multitasking. I will clean, wash later. Looking nice, but still not tender. I want more. So, okay. Let's see, 20 minutes more. I want to make this so ono. Okay. So, let's go back to the table and continue the banana bread making. Ayan, multitasking tayo, guys. Hmm. Mag-crack tayo ng 2 itlog. Oops. Make sure walang eggshell na mapupunta sa ating mixture. O, there you go. Ayun siya, may konting eggshell dyan. O, yun, o. Careful lang. What else do we need to put? Brown sugar. Whisk muna natin siya or mix. Let's add butter. Little bit of evaporated milk. Little bit of cinnamon. So I have in here all-purpose flour. The last time I made, I only used 1.5 cup. But this time I decided I will put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift the all-purpose flour. This is the 2nd cup of all-purpose flour. I have in here 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift again. And half teaspoon of salt. So, eto na lahat yung mga ingredients, guys. Time to mix. Need to mix very well. Okay, so I'm done mixing the banana bread butter. So guys, I have in here 2 loaf pan. Of course, need to brush it with little bit of oil to avoid the breadcrumbs sticking into the loaf pan later. Para po hindi siya dumikit mamaya. Ayan. So now, I will divide the mixture or the banana butter into 2. Okay, so let me add the raisins in here. Mix lang natin. Lagay natin. Ayan. In here, let me add dark chocolate chips. Transfer. Bake 40 minutes. How is it? Ooh, it look nice. First one. So this is the banana chocolate chip. The next one, this is the banana raisins. Oh, if you can only smell, it smells so good. For the meantime, I will leave it here to cool down. And then next, I go back to the pork spare ribs, guys, because I will be making my, how do you call that? Coating mix, and then I will fry. That will be for dinner. Hi, long day in the kitchen as usual. If you love cooking, then this is it. You stay in your kitchen the whole day. Okay, now let's continue with the pork spare ribs. Whoo! Do I still get energy, guys? Let's do this. Go, go, go. So for the coating mix, I have here all-purpose flour. I will add or put into my mixing bowl. This one, cornstarch. What else do I need? Salt. Then ground pepper. Very simple lang ang aking gagawin. Then I have here paprika. Let's add paprika in it. Then garlic powder. Looks like I wanna add a little bit of the Greek seasoning, all-purpose Greek seasoning, the Cavender. Let's see. Nag-e-experiment na ako, guys. I'm experimenting already. Let me try maybe 2 eggs for now. Let's see. Next, I will add the pork spare ribs. Oops. Actually, guys, this is style first time that I am doing this one. So, explore din tayo paminsan-minsan. Then after that, let's add the coating mix. Okay, I think it's good. Ayan na siya. Ooh, looks like I can start. Oil already hot. Let's try. Oh, there. Good, good, good. Ayan siya. Okay, so done with the first batch. Finally done, guys. This is my, if you can see, my fried pork chops. Whew. Now, hubby will do the rice and I go rest already. So, see you when we eat dinner, guys. And the bread's already cool. So I get dinner and I get breakfast. First, we have greens in here. Just chop lettuce. This is the fastest, easiest vegetable to prepare. And the fried pork spare ribs. We have two. And for the spare ribs, I need my banana ketchup. What else is missing if you eat fried pork, fried fish, anything fried? Let's eat the pickled papaya that I made. It's already good. Let's try. Ah, okay. Then eat a little bit of the pickled papaya. Mm. Kain pa tayo. Good morning. Preparing breakfast. Slice natin. Parang palaki ng palaki ang aking pag-slice. Okay. So this is how the banana raisin look like. Then, tabi muna natin. Oops. Let's open the other one. So, banana with dark chocolate chip. Ayan siya. Oops. Ito yung with chocolate chip.
Good. Raisin is good.
Raisin is good. Banana raisin is good. Mm.
You can taste the banana bread.
Okay. Starting the day with good breakfast, so the rest of the day, things will follow. And since our bread turned out really, really good, we are thinking, what else? What flavor? So, hubby wants mango bread. I will try that one. Maybe I will try apple also. Any suggestion, guys, for bread flavors aside from this? The very basic is this one, banana. Very common. So good. Now let me check the flowers. Oh wow. I like this color. It's different. This is very red. This is kind of pink purple. I waited for this one. Ooh. And in here, look. This is sunflower, small yellow flower. These ones get plenty buds, even that one. But this one, I like the color of this. I don't know how you call this one. So closer look for that. And this is what I am telling guys. Although small flower, but look at the color. It's something like dark pink. Yeah, dark pink. And then get buds. Plenty buds. Also in here coming. Look. And then there. But I cannot tell what color will be. So the small sunflower, ito siya. Not fully opened yet. Look at the petal. Still get 3 more. And in here, bud of sunflower. Then another one in here. This one, zinnia. Zinnia's coming. So this is the pinkish purple one. And the biggest zinnia. This one. Very red with yellow and maroon at the center. How do you like that, guys? Oh, my garden becoming good again, beautiful again. Okay, so it's getting hot in here. I will water them, and after that, I will do my chores. And so, ending the video, feeding the birds. Mahalo again for watching, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put your comments down below. See you next time.